showcases that you're part of something bigger, you're part of the AUAS family, and you're part of the AUAS community.
AUIS is more than a university. It's a family, a community, and a lifelong partner. Tonight, we celebrate you and the connections that you have built with this place.